Okay, so 14 question only again in 5 minutes I'm trying to solve. What happens is, what is he asking is the bullet is going upwards in a reference frame which is also accelerating upwards. What is the acceleration of the elevator with respect to the level ground? We know that. What is that? 5.75. Bullet is going upwards. So velocity of bullet with respect to what? With respect to elevator. That we know. What is that? 15 meters per second. And there is a ground. We do not know velocity of bullet with respect to ground. This we have no idea. We have to find that. How we will find that is using the vectorial notation. Velocity of bullet with respect to elevator will be how much? I told you. Velocity of bullet with respect to ground minus velocity elevator with respect to ground. That we know. Velocity of elevator, velocity elevator with respect to ground, which we know. This has been given to us in the data. What is that given as? 10. Yes or no? 10 meters per second. And velocity of bullet inside the elevator. This we know. How much is that? 15 meters per second. What we do not know is velocity of bullet with respect to level ground. How we will find that? Just take this side. Then we'll get the velocity of bullet with respect to level ground. How much will that be? 15 plus 10 is how much that is equal to 25 meters per second. Okay. This is the velocity of bullet with respect to level ground. Is this understood? Now maximum height formula we can apply. Maximum height of the elevator reached from the total ground surface. Means it includes this 1.5. From the 1.5 meters height it is projected, it goes up, becomes a maximum velocity 0, and then it falls to the ground of the or floor of the elevator. This is included, all that will be included there. So that h max is what is that? V, this one, velocity of bullet with respect to ground whole square by 2 into acceleration of bullet with respect to ground. This all we have to substitute. What is velocity of bullet with respect to ground? 25 square by 2 into what is the velocity of bullet with respect to ground? 10 only. It will experience. What is that? See, there are two types of acceleration the bullet will experience. Inside the elevator, it will experience the 5.75. With respect to the floor of the elevator, 5.75. But with respect to the ground, 10, which is nothing but the acceleration of it is nothing but g. The last acceleration of bullet with respect to ground is none other than g. Is it understood? So substitute these data, you will get an answer. Please do that. 25. 25 is how much? 625 by 2 into 10. Can we cancel this? 5 twos are 5. How much is that? 125 are. And 125 divided by 4, if you do, you'll get some answer. 125, 130. How much is that? 125 divided by 4, if you do, 31.5. Yes? By 4, no? 31.25, I think. 31.25 meters. This is the, what is this? This is the H max of the, this is not the complete answer. It's not still the answer. This 31.5 is how much? Is from where? From the level ground only of the elevator. It is already, when the whole story started, this thing. See, I'll draw it in some other red color. This whole upward motion started. It was at a what height? 51.5 meters. Is it or not? From the 51.5 meters, from it has gone up and fallen down to the floor of the elevator. Then we got this 31.25 as H max. Is it or not? This is what is H max here in this situation? This, but see the pink diagram I'm drawing. This is H max for you. Is it clear? This pink thing is H max. What do we want? Totally from the ground. From the ground, how much it will be? This pink plus red. How much will that be? Total H max. H max total would be how much? 31.25 plus from the ground how much distance it was at originally? 51.5 meters. So what would that be? Some 82.75. Is it or not? 82.75.